Hi everyone, welcome to yet another new vlog. Wishing all my Indian friends a very happy Independence Day. Let's celebrate the spirit of freedom together. My humble efforts to express my patriotism. Hope you like it. In today's video, sharing with you all easy chicken curry recipe and also chocolate donuts. Do watch it till the end, you'll like it. Well, to keep up the Independence Day spirits, you can start your day with a colorful toast which resembles our national flag. I tossed a green capsicum in butter, then added one egg to that, adding little salt and pepper, and now tossing the bread slices which I'm going to use. Now the delicious omelette is ready. So to add a little more color, we can use a walnut. So the white, green and orange elements of the national flag are ready. We can enjoy with the Independence Day spirit. For lunch I made veg pulao. It's a regular pulao using green peas and carrots. But then in order to get the Indian national flag look, I used carrots on one side and green peas on other side. And Aryan really liked this idea. Do try it, kids will enjoy it. Now sharing with you all my easy chicken curry recipe. After cleaning the chicken, adding homemade ginger garlic paste to that as per the requirement. Adding little salt and turmeric powder. Also adding red chili powder as per the requirement. Now adding some coriander powder to that. Adding some nutmeg powder and also garam masala powder. I normally don't grind garam masalas and nutmegs together, so I use them separately. Now adding some dry mango powder to that. Dry mango along with chicken gives you a tangy flavor which we normally like it. Do try it, it's nice. Mix them thoroughly and marinate it at least for 20 minutes. Now adding some oil to the pan, and once it's ready, adding some chopped onions and green chilies to that. Let them cook in the low flame till 5 minutes. Now we can add the marinated chicken to it and mix it thoroughly. Now adding some chopped tomatoes to it and mixing it well. Adding tomatoes is an option. If you want, you can, or you can avoid it. After mixing it thoroughly, leave it in the low flame and we can cover the lid now. I'm pouring some water on top of the lid so that at the bottom won't be burnt up. We are not adding any extra water to that. The chicken itself will extract the waters and it will cook within itself. We can actually leave it in the low flame till the water is evaporated on top of the lid. Now if you open and see, the chicken is almost cooked and it's ready. On the other hand, I'm making Kerala paratha, which is a frozen one. It's nice to have this Kerala paratha along with these curries. So we have it now and then. Later in the evening, we went out for a small drive. We had a pizza and chicken wings from Pizza Hut. We later spent some time at the New Miller Dam, which is 5 miles away from our place, feeding the ducks and enjoying the scenic beauty over there. Now after coming back, I made some chocolate donuts. I'll be sharing the recipe with you. So in order to make the donuts, take some warm milk, add 1 tablespoon of yeast to it. Also add 2 tablespoons of sugar, stir it well and keep it aside till it ferments. Now to prepare the dough, take some all-purpose flour in a bowl and add sugar as per your requirement. Now adding some nutmeg powder and salt to it and mix it with the milk and yeast. I'm not using eggs in this recipe. If you want, you can add them at this point. Now adding some butter and kneading it well. Simple formula. The more you knead the dough, the softer the donuts will be. Now after kneading it well, We can apply some oil on top of it and leave it at least for 2 hours. After 2 hours, we can see the double rise in the dough. Now we'll knead it for another 5 minutes to make it more softer. Now using a rolling pin, we can spread it flat as we make normal rotis. Now we get to find a lot of donut cutters with different shapes. I'm using this particular one, which I bought it from Amazon. If you want, you can use 2 different size of lids in order to get this shape. Now it's time to arrange the donuts on the butter paper. If you don't have butter paper, you can use a parchment paper as well. While making donuts, it is must to put them on this kind of butter paper because we don't want to deflate the donuts while frying. Don't forget to give them a touch of oil or melted butter because we have to leave them like this for another 10 to 15 minutes. Since it is a plain big sheet of butter paper, I'm cutting it around the donuts. It is because while dropping in the oil, we don't want to touch it with the hand. We will drop it with the butter paper, making sure the paper doesn't go in the oil. Now it's time to deep fry these donuts and I'm using sunflower oil. As we carefully drop these donuts into the oil, we can see them turn fluffy. We'll have to cook them in the low flame till 5 minutes or until they turn golden brown. Once they turn golden brown, we can remove them and we'll repeat the same procedure to make rest of the donuts. Now to give the donuts a chocolate coat, I'm using one whole dark chocolate and using the double boiler method, I'm melting it. You can directly melt it in the microwave as well if you want to. Now since our chocolate mix is ready, we can carefully dip the donut on one side into the chocolate mix and keep it on the tray. Repeat the same procedure with the rest of the donuts. You can also use white chocolate in the same way if you have. Now finally adding some sprinkles on top of these donuts. The yummy, tasty donuts are ready. You can enjoy with your family. I hope you liked watching today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell at the bottom so that you'll be notified whenever I upload my new videos. And feel free to share it with your friends and family. Thank you. Bye.